Join me as I dive into the world of CWH stock and try to predict if it's about to explode. CWH stock has been making some waves lately, with its price experiencing some significant fluctuations. The general market sentiment surrounding it seems to be mixed, with some investors optimistic about its potential for growth, while others are more cautious. CWH is currently facing some tough challenges in the market. One major issue is the increasing competition in its industry, which has led to pricing pressures and reduced profit margins. The company's financial performance has also been impacted by rising costs, including higher raw material costs and labor expenses. External economic factors, such as changes in government regulations and shifts in consumer behavior, are also adding to the uncertainty. Furthermore, the overall economic climate is uncertain, with some experts predicting a slowdown in growth, which could negatively impact CWH's sales and revenue. Analyzing key indicators that could influence CWH stock, earnings reports are always a crucial factor. Recent reports have shown some positive trends, with the company beating analyst expectations on revenue and profit. Industry trends also seem to be in CWH's favor, with the demand for its products increasing steadily. Expert opinions are divided, however, with some analysts predicting a significant surge in the stock price, while others are more cautious. Additionally, CWH's efforts to expand its product line and improve operational efficiency could also have a positive impact on its stock performance. There have been some significant events and announcements that could act as catalysts for a potential stock price surge. The company recently announced a major partnership with a leading industry player, which could lead to increased revenue and growth opportunities. CWH has also been investing heavily in research and development, which could lead to the launch of new and innovative products. Furthermore, some analysts are predicting that the company will benefit from the current market trends, which could lead to a surge in its stock price. Another significant event is the upcoming earnings report, which could provide a clearer picture of the company's financial health. Recapping the main points covered in this video, CWH stock has been experiencing significant movements, with its price fluctuating due to various market and economic factors. The company is facing challenges, but there are also positive indicators, such as earnings reports and industry trends, that could influence its stock performance. Significant events, like the partnership announcement and the upcoming earnings report, could act as catalysts for a potential stock price surge. What do you think about CWH stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about CWH or other stocks, be sure to check out my other related videos.